Good morning, student. So now we are going to start exercise 2.9, that is division of a rational number. We have already discussed that any number which is in the form of P upon Q or A upon B is called a rational number. Now, if suppose a question is given like this, that divide 8 upon 15 by 3 upon 5. This by means division. So now both of them are rational numbers. So how to divide them? So for doing division of a rational number by another rational number, we multiply the first rational number by the reciprocal of the second rational number. That is, the first rational number is what? 8 upon 15. The second rational number is what? 3 upon 5. Now the division of rational number, the method says that for doing division of these two rational number, multiply the first rational number, that is 8 upon 15, multiplied by reciprocal of the second rational number. Now the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 will be what? 5 upon 3. Earlier mathematically we will write how? First rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 upon 3. So if you will solve this, we will get the answer. This is how you need to do the division of rational number. Now theoretically, once again I am explaining, for dividing two rational number, the method says multiply first rational number, this is your first rational number, by multiplication inverse of second rational number or reciprocal. Reciprocal or multiplication inverse both mean same. Why it is written inverse? Because reciprocal मतलब क्या होता है? Just inverse. When numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator, that means what? Reciprocal. That is why reciprocal is also known as what? Multiplication inverse. So multiply first rational number by multiplication inverse of second rational number or simply reciprocal of second rational number. Like 8 upon 15 by 3 upon 15. What is the first rational number here? 8 upon 15. What is the second rational number? 3 upon 5. So by applying this method, first rational number 8 upon 15, write it down, into reciprocal or multiplication inverse of second rational number. So what will be the reciprocal of 3 upon 5? 5 upon 3. So 8 upon 15 into 5 upon 3, solve it, you will get 8 upon 9. This is your answer. This is how we do division of rational number. Hence we can also say that division is inverse of multiplication. Now when it comes to division of rational numbers, so what is the standard format? A upon B divided by C upon D. There can be numbers also. Instead of numbers I am writing here alphabets, because there can be any number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now here your first rational number, that is A upon B, it is known as dividend. Your second rational number, that is C upon D, it is always known as divisor. And your format of, after doing the reciprocal, A upon B into D upon C, it is always known as what? Quotient. That means if I go to this question by the same format which we just learned, this one, so your 8 upon 15, it will be known as what? Dividend. Your 3 upon 5 will be known as what? Divisor. And your 8 upon 15, after the reciprocal of second rational number, that is 5 upon 3, 8 upon 15 into 5 upon 3, this thing will be known as what? Quotient. And also remember that division by 0 is not possible. This we have done in earlier exercises also, that why division by 0 is not possible. I have explained also earlier. If any number is divided by 0, then result is not defined. Now comes the properties of division. There are 4 properties. Let's see all of them one by one. It says that when a rational number is divided by another rational number, like A upon B, its first rational number, C upon D, its second rational number. So when a rational number is divided by a second rational number, then the quotient is also a rational number. This is 100% right. See, once again, if we look to this example, this was the first rational number and this was the second rational number. Now when these both are divided, so this is the format of quotient we just did na, dividend, divisor and quotient. So the quotient, it is also in the format of what? Rational number. And this is what your property is also saying, that when a rational number is divided by another rational number, these two are rational number, when they both are divided, the quotient is also a rational number. Okay, but this is not applied to in the case of zero format. This I already told you, because anything divided by zero, the result will be not defined. Now property number 2, division of any rational number by itself gives the quotient as 1. It's very natural. If any number is divided by itself, the result is always 1. Any number when divided by itself, the result is always 1. So if any rational number is divided by itself, that means two rational numbers having the same value, the result will always be 1. That is why it is written that division of any rational number by itself, the quotient is always 1. Now property number 3, when a rational number is divided by 1, the quotient is the rational number itself. This is also right, because anything divided by 1, it gives the same number only. Like if we see to this example, it is written 4 upon 5 divided by 1. Now if nothing is written, we can assume here 1. We know for division of two rational number, the method says multiply the first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now the reciprocal of 1, it will be 1 only. That means what? 1 upon 1. So what will be the result? 4 upon 5. That means we are getting the same rational number back. So this is what your property is also saying, that when a rational number is divided by 1, the quotient is the rational number itself. Now last property, 0 divided by any rational number is always equal to 0. Now if you remember, during exercise 1.2 also I told you that if 0 is divided by any number, that means if 0 is divided by any number, the result is always 0. And if any number is divided by 0, then the result is not defined. Any number means if 2 is divided by 0, the result will be not defined. According to the property, it is focusing on this concept, that 0 divided by any rational number is always equal to 0. This we have already discussed, and here is an example also, 0 divided by 3 by 4, the result will be 0. Why? Because any number on dividing by 0, the result comes 0. Now let's straight away come to the exercise 2.9. See the first question. It is saying, by what number should 4 into 1 by 2 be divided to get 3 by 2? Now see, this is a mixed fraction. First convert it into normal fraction. So how we convert? 2 into 4 plus 1. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. So this will come what? 9 upon 2. By what number should 9 upon 2 be divided to get 3 by 2? Now see class, here we are having first rational number as 9 by 2. Now forget this for 1 by 2. We have converted into normal fraction. The first rational number, it is 9 by 2. Question is saying by what number this 9 by 2 should be divided so that the result is 3 by 2. So we don't know the second rational number, so let's assume the second rational number as x. So mathematically we will write it how? We will write it, first convert this 4 into 1 by 2, 2 into 4 plus 1, this will be what? 9 upon 2. Now the second rational number, since it's not given, so assume it as x. So first rational number divided by second rational number, the answer is what? 3 upon 2. This is given in question. We need to find this value of x. Now mathematically we know that when a rational number is divided by a second rational number, the method says that multiply first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now since here we have assumed as x the second rational number, so the reciprocal of x will be what? 1 upon x. So write it down, 9 upon 2 into 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon 2. Now we need to know the value of x. How we will know it? By the method of cross multiplication. That is, we will transfer all the values, we will keep the x on one side and we will keep all the other values on the right side, which is known as cross multiplication. That is 3x into 2 equal to 9 into 2. Now 2 into 3 is what? 6x. 6x is equal to 18. Transfer the terms. So x equal to 18 upon 6. Answer will be what? 3. That is your option number B. See the second question. The product of two rational number is 3 upon 7. If one of them is minus 7 upon 50, what will be the other? Now see, this is your homework. This question is same as question number first. What it is saying, the product of two rational number is 3 upon 7 if one of them is minus 70 upon 25. See, the first rational number, it's minus of 70 upon 25. Then we are not having the second rational number. Again, assume it as x, and their product is what? 3 upon 7. Now see class, here we will not do any reciprocal because the question itself is saying product. Product मतलब क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यहाँ पे हमको डिवीजन करना था पहले, यहाँ पे हमको सीधे दिया है कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज दिस. If first number is this, then what is the second number? So don't put here the sign of division. No, this will be wrong. We will put here the sign of multiplication because the question is saying product. Product मतलब multiplication. Question is saying कि दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आता है कितना? 3 upon 7. अब फर्स्ट नंबर दिया है माइनस 70 अपॉन 25. सेकेंड नंबर नहीं दिया है. वी आर अज्यूमिंग इट एज एक्स. सो मैथमेटिकली द स्टेटमेंट विल बी माइनस 70 अपॉन 25 multiplied by x equal to 3 upon 7, and we need to find this value of x. Don't put here the sign of division. Okay, now come to question number 2. Division. 6 upon 7 by minus 3 upon 14. Now see class, this question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5, all these are based simply on a single concept. Once again I am telling you, if you need to divide any two rational number, please pay attention, I am repeating again. If you need to divide any two rational number, then the simple format is that multiply the first rational number by the reciprocal of second rational number always. Once again I am repeating, when you need to divide any two rational number, always multiply the first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now same thing we will apply here. 6 upon 7 by minus 3 upon 14. What we will do? First rational number, multiply the first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now what will be the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14? 14 upon minus 3. This will be the reciprocal. So mathematically now we will write it how? We will write 6 upon 7, first rational number. First write it mathematically. See, by means division. So the mathematical format says that first write each and everything in form of proper sign. By मतलब होता है division. So first write question in proper format. 6 upon 7 divided by minus 3 upon 14. Now our solution start. What the process says? That multiply the first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14, 14 upon minus 3. Write it down, 14 upon minus 3. When you will solve it, the answer will come what? Minus 4. Now what you need to pay attention is on these sign. See, when you were doing reciprocal, so the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14 will be what? 14 upon minus 3. The minus sign will go to denominator. But we always know that denominator can never be negative. Once again I am repeating, the denominator can never be negative. So what was the answer coming? 4 upon minus 1. Now since we know that denominator can never be negative, so we will simply transfer this minus sign from denominator to numerator. So the answer will be what? Minus 4. Whenever in any question you are finding negative sign in denominator, so always transfer it to numerator because denominator can never be negative. Similarly is the second question, 5 upon 12 by 4 upon 5. Mathematically you will write it how? 5 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 5. पहले by को लिखो, समझाओ कि this is known as division. Okay. Now what the process says? Multiplication of first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now what was the second rational number? 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 5 upon 4. Solve it, you will get the answer. Let's see question number 4. 5 upon 7 by 17 upon 25. Once again, first write it down properly. that is 5 upon 7 divided by 17 upon 25. Now according to the process, the format says multiply the first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. Now this is your second rational number. What will be its reciprocal? 25 upon 17. Write it down, 25 upon 17. When you will solve it, answer will come what? 125 upon 119. Now let's pick a question. Okay, let's pick question number 7. Minus 5 upon 17 minus 5 upon 17 by minus 3 upon minus 17. Now see, this is also a very simple question. Just I am picking up this question because here sign will play a very important role. I hope now you know that how to write this statement. How you will write the statement? You will write minus 5 upon 17 into reciprocal of second rational number, that is minus 170 upon 3. Now multiplication you can do. Now see, here also it is minus, here also it is minus. When there are two minus sign in numerator and denominator, they are always striked off, means they are cutted. So either you can cut it here, or don't pay attention right now to the sign of the integer, simply solve it. When you will solve, you will get the answer. 17 ones are 17, 17 into 2 is 170. That means minus 5, you will write here minus 5 into minus 10 upon 1 into minus 3. Now either it can be minus into minus is what? Plus, that is 50 upon minus 3. Now we know that denominator cannot be a negative value, so we can also write minus 50 upon 3. This will be your final answer. Or after writing this, you can solve like this. Minus 5 upon 1 into, it was minus 10 upon minus 3. You can simply cut the minus sign like this also. Either you can do minus into minus plus format, or you can simply cut the sign also, whatever you feel comfortable. Okay, so I am doing in this way, minus 5 upon 1 into minus 10 upon minus 3. Now since both are same sign, so they will be striked off. So we are left with minus 5 into plus 1, minus into plus, minus 50 upon 3. This is the answer C. Here also this answer is only coming, and here also minus 50 upon 3. Minus 50 upon 3, okay. Now next question, question number 3, simplify. Again same format, minus 28 upon 27 divided by minus 5 upon 9. Once again, how we will solve it? First number into multiplication inverse of second number. That means minus 28 upon 27 into, what will be the reciprocal of this? 9 upon minus 5. 9 upon minus 5. Class, remember one thing. When you are doing the reciprocal, then the value which is in negative, no matter if it is in numerator also, when it will go to denominator, then during that time you need to write the negative value in denominator. Okay, if it is written minus 5 upon 9, right now minus 5 is in numerator, but when you will do the reciprocal and minus 5 will go to denominator, so you need to write minus 5. Don't write at that time 9 as minus 9. Okay, minus 28 upon 27 into 9 upon minus 5. When you will solve it, it will come 28 upon 15, but with negative value. See, minus 28 upon minus 15. Now since both are same sign, again we can strike it off, so a final answer will be 28 upon 15. Same is the second question, 11 upon 2 divided by 30 upon minus 2. Now once again, first rational number into reciprocal of second rational number, or first rational number into multiplication inverse of second rational number. Now first rational number is what? 11 upon 2 multiplied by inverse of 30 by 2, 30 upon minus 2, or reciprocal of 30 upon minus 2 is what? Minus 2 upon 30. Now when you will solve it, you will get this answer, minus 11 upon 30. Similar is the question number 6 also, 7 upon 9 divided by minus 2 upon 3. First rational number into reciprocal of second rational number. When you will solve it, you will get the answer, minus 7 upon 6. All questions of this exercise are just based on a simple concept that when two rational numbers are going to get divided, you need to write the first rational number multiplied by the reciprocal of the second rational number. Just pay attention on the sign. Okay, now Last question 4. The product of two rational number is 5 upon 8. If one of them is minus 3 upon 20, find the other. Now see, this question we have already done this side. Okay, it's same, but still I am doing. Read the question twice. The product of two rational number is minus 7 upon 15. That means when you see, it's written product. Sorry, it's written product, not division. We are doing question number 4. The product is given, not division. So between two rational number, the sign will be this of multiplication. Now it's given the product of two rational number is 5 upon 8. If one of them is minus 3 upon 20, that means the first number is minus 3 upon 20. If one of them is minus 3 upon 20, find the other. That means we need to find this number. According to the statement, now see, the product of two rational number minus 3 upon 20 into second one is unknown is 5 upon 8. Find the other. That means we need to find this unknown value. Now, in terms of mathematics, we will write what? We will write let the other rational number be x. Let other rational number be x. Now, it was given product, that means the first rational number was given minus 3 upon 20. Write it down. Minus 3 upon 20 into, we have assumed the second rational number is x into x. The product comes what? 5 upon 8. This is the format which is given in the question. Means according to the question, first rational number into second rational number, this comes the product. Now we need to find this value, that is x, that is an unknown value. So simply by the method of cross multiplication, keep the unknown variable on one side and transfer all the known values on next side. So when you will solve it, you will get answer minus 25 upon 6. So this exercise is very simple. Just remember one thing: when you are solving division of any two rational number, the method says multiply the first rational number by reciprocal of second rational number. So please solve this exercise in your notebook, and if you have any problem in any question, you can call me up. Thank you. Be safe. Have a nice day.